Morning.
Morning, mommy.
Morning.
I got library.
You go library.
Mm-hmm.
It's for do.
Mommy, me I go study. I have homework. I have an exam Monday. So I need to study and I need to do my homework. So I want my friend in my library.
Which friend, sir?
You know, remember my friend when I always talk about.
Hmm. Me want to know what me a pay Wi-Fi bill for. For internet there. And me a pay how much a month to flow for Wi-Fi. So what is
Mommy,
that?
I mean, Shanice I got library. I remember saying no book, not there for me use. What me go do with source of internet?
So
Me
me not to
need
pay for the
book.
internet then.
Yes, mommy, I can pay for me use it when me there, but me have to go to the library. What you think they make library for? The souvenir? I feel pick the name good, I go study, mommy. You know I say, tell me something to be good. And me a big good, mommy. So what you think me go out on the road and do?
Hmm. Hmm. Mine, Go on. But be careful, Cause me might just locate that library and decide to go study one at a time too.
Mommy,
So
I
no
know
set
some
a
me not do
library I go.
nothing. Me not stay long.
What good?
Girl.
Girl,
No, girl. I'll be right now.
which way you go?
Girl, I'll check TV.
So why?
Cause me have something for him, so I'll check him. But anyways,
What TV could I not give you, Riri?
me no know.
Oh, I what on you got to go do,
No, girl, me a still virgin. Me not do nothing.
Oh, so I go on.
Me tell my mother lie, say me gonna library. See, if you see him and call you, just pick up in your times and me at the library.
Oh, you use me as bait. So yeah, use me as bait. Now how much me I get out of where I go collect?
Me squeeze a pound one little something.
I can give one tree, girl.
Me not think the money cost too much.
Then I tell life a little bit of money, girl. You don't tell life a little bit of money. Now if you get a 130,000 if you tell them
I mean,
like
I give man nothing.
that are the thing. Yeah, remember say a virgin no. So if you get a 130 grand, cause you done this and not touch yet. But anyways, I hear you.
I ain't a beer car. If you had the beer, I'm gonna put in a sea and use a kitchen fish. But me not use a kitchen fish.
You see that me not like it. I will call you.
Hello? Oh yeah, I come now. Me not yeah. Alright long Alice right that's how me turn up. Yeah, me I come. Alright.
How would that now?
TB.
Oh.
So
Alright girl, if your mother call me, tell her say we there. Where we there?
library.
Which one I library them?
The one the downtown girl.
Oh, the one that the town?
Yeah.
I suppose she said she'll come. If you just call her and you reach at the library?
Yes.
Alright, we got it.
Yeah,
Later.
girl.
You are open. You are open. Are you
What?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, alright. So what one now?
Are you to tell me now? That's the truth, for.
Maybe.
I know some things work.
As a matter of fact, too, make sure to keep this between me and you, cause I don't want nobody know say I am not a virgin, especially my mother. If my mother knows say I'm not a virgin, she'll put me out immediately.
You feel me love chat, you feel me a smile run off their mouth, and it's not a chatty person,
Well, make sure say I don't want you to just person. Make sure so when I drink the rum, it make you talk neither.
So let's talk in more than one point.
This time you be gently, but gently. Here, but gently. Yeah. So, my money there.
Oh God, man, I can't worry about. So you're not planning to come for that shit.
Oh, put that on the show. How about this TV?
No money.
$500?
Then, you don't get the amount of money where you get the last time. You feel sorry to get
I
now.
did want to buy one new iPhone. I did want to buy one drumstick.
No worry, man.
What we gonna do with this year?
Next week gonna be better. Next week when I forward or next time when I forward, to get something bigger. You buy an iPhone and a drumstick.
This don't even work. Me good strength. I'm just wait. Oh, think this I can do to buy right now. I'm drink.
Just drink and quench your thirst and go
I'm
somewhere.
here. Sure.
Galan, feel like I take my fee that and do the local money. But iPhone.
Just the right person to see. Let's see, my friend.
No, sir. She did come check me earlier and she left, so she's gone. I don't know if I'm gone in the yard or... I don't know.
Oh. But in December, I can check you.
Yeah, she did be at my yard earlier, but she gone and I don't know.
So you're not nothing?
No, sir. Not really.
Oh, that's kind of a virgin still, so.
So me here, but who knows?
Oh. Alright, me I walk and see if me see her.
Alright.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Hey, let's open up a place, so.
No.
Wow.
Good.
Yeah, me alright. So what go on with you now? You not text me from morning.
Well, this one, me text you and say, you're not going to link me.
Oh, me.
And you know, from me text you and say, we're not going to link me, you know what? I'm not talking about.
Yeah, so what? You not cook around there? Me hungry. You not cook?
Yeah, me come here and get you about food. When you go here, do me get money to buy some food. Come. I'm not doing nothing in my bedroom, I just clean up.
Huh?
Just clean up my place, I'm not doing no bathroom.
Bathroom?
One of money look like saying you don't want this. Eh? Sure.
Let me give look one and two. Me give one. Make sure you not tell nobody about this, no, cause no one nobody knows.
Second time you come to me the argument and I'm one here. You see me I no bag of friend, me I want to reason with.
Me don't want
Stop
nobody
come to me
know
the
say me
argument,
not me a virgin. Cause me I tell me mother say me a virgin.
I mean,
And
alone,
mother
sorry, you.
find out say me a virgin. Me head cut off and she will put me on. And me know say this a little something can hold me and you and your family.
How can I hold me and you?
Can
You
you
stay
see?
over there, so me stay over there, so then stay there. So.
You go tell me say you just done clean.
No.
And that you go tell me say you
Smell-
just done
smell in
clean.
here. So when you smell nice,
Yes.
me nobody want. You can't wait. Said clean toes if you really hold this thing. Clean toes. You can't cut it there. Clean toes if
How's
you.
that? And you send me to buy food and small that say.
Mama, listen to me. Cause you come like you know go maths class. Here when I pencil out the money, you know. $6.50 for your food. You get a big breast, vegetable, rice and peas.
So that for some
Hear me now, man. Big breast. You tell them say you want a big breast. Go down and make it. Tell them say you want a big breast, rice and peas and vegetable or pasta. You understand? And get the orange
Me I did
juice.
go and buy some things.
What's about 150 a for yourself? What kind of things you want?
I want to buy some things that Timmy on. Remember, say me a girl and girls need stuff.
Oh, just get that. You get the food, man. A food that tell me say you need. She get food. And orange juice you can get with ice. Yeah? You serve you. Boy, you want tea, man.
Hold on. Oh, come on, come. Glad you come to me now. Wagwan.
No. I want.
They had some problem with some teeth, you know. So that's why. I'm gonna check your answer.
Buy me just me answer. No much money me combo.
We don't have money now. Just chill, man, and help me start with the book club.
No, me not have time for that. Right now I look at money because right on my phone mash up clear.
Don't worry about that. See if you put your money in front that you want to fix.
Well, I money me the combo, but it look like you have a lot of money pile up over here, sir. And who wear this a tax? You have to do.
Seriously, you can't chill with me. Why?
You can't chill and not get nothing in return. You get what me I get. You feel people chill for free?
So
I chill pan dry throat, me go sit myself all day.
So say see life.
And chill pan dry throat, nothing for eat, nothing for drink.
Relax, man. Just enjoy yourself, man. Chill.
Enjoy myself and
Lay
doing
down
what?
and chill.
Who for lay down? I then lay down out the door. No
You know say
money.
you're full?
How me full? You don't have no money for give me.
Alright, me not have no money. Check me back next week then. When they have money.
When next week? Wednesday?
Tuesday. Yeah.
You could he said she a thief. Alice, too thief, man. She too thief. Come on, one drinks and they will serve long. How was it all like?
Oh, you come back. So hold on.
Friend. Wow. Good evening,
Good
mother.
evening.
Yeah.
Am I alright?
Yeah, we alright. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Where I say no more.
So where you get so much money from and you never have money for when you leave?
$1,000. I'm a friend lend me to me the borrow from her to buy one juice.
So much money for buy juice?
No, me borrow $1,000 from her to buy one juice. I'm not buy the juice. I buy one juice and one chips. I eat and munch one and me have the rest later and put in my saving fund.
Me born yesterday, man. Me born yesterday. Trish, come here a minute. I ask you something. I forget where on the did go. Where the 200 did go and just come from? Where the 200 come from?
The library.
Library.
Yeah, library.
Oh, and you lend her the money from the library.
No, when we walk, come up, me lend her money, but me did stop to drink some water at time because she reach up before me.
Hey, oh, you give thumbs up behind my back for? You think I'm not see?
Mommy, I'm a big finger, it hurt me.
Eh?
I slammed it in the bathroom though this morning.
Eh? Hey, hush. I'm a real idiot. And I go library.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I get all of the studying done.
Not really, we have to go back maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Cause they like the library look early today.
Cause they said star ma come.
Okay. Remember, so what is in the dark must come in the light, you know. And I know today me born or yesterday me born. Eh? Me notice certain things with you from the other day, you know. Mine, you know. What in the dark have to come in at the light.
Mommy not do nothing.
Like see me born yesterday. Remember, see me will catch up with you, you know. I have eyes at the back of my head. Me and no fool.
So you know cook. Oh, I wrote it and go out later. Yeah. What mommy mean by that, girl?
Girl, you ask me what your mother mean by that. Am my mother or your mother? You're sure you're not I don't do something?
Girl, me not do know cause I'm still a virgin.
Alright, later. Stay in the yard. Stay in the yard.
So come at me.
Where you go?
Library.
Hey. Ever I go library. Come here, I want to talk to you.
You don't want to talk to me about no.
Me notice some things with you, you know. Remember, say, the pig you raised, me raised the mother and the granny done dead. Huh?
What's your problem?
Every minute you go library. Not once me see you with a bag of books.
So
Not
me-
even one book.
Book done their library already. What me a carry more book go library go do?
So what
Me
me?
for walk up and down with book and pencil and it done their library.
So hold on. Not as you mentioned pencil, me not even see you with that. Eh? You think some me an idiot little girl? You think some me not do them the things before? Everything me look in your eye. Everything you young people are do. Remember say we did there first and we did do it first. And we learn from our
You know what I
mistakes.
talk about, cause me not do nothing. Me a princess, I'm a decent girl. Me I got church.
A church alone now save you. Your actions. Yeah, hear things from the road too, you know, and it not good. Your name smell out the road. Soon it go start think.
But me want me name smell out of work. What me I do, mommy? Me not
must
do
know.
nothing.
You must know. You
Yeah, I
must
listen to people too much. People go feel you. And people say, listen to you, listen to your daughter, you have to trust your daughter, believe in your own daughter.
But let me tell you now, cause them anything happen, them gonna say blame the parents. Let me tell you now. If a man or monopoly, you go play out the streets, done it. Any funky intention you have all the time in the world to do it. Not do it now. Me no want the wrong result coming in the yard, yeah?
Mommy, you just be real with me. I know some of your daughter and I love you and you love me too. So just come, just be with me and know me not tell her no lie at the library me they go, mommy. I know say at the library me they go. You know.
You ever have the library as an excuse?
Remember yesterday me did tell us I never get to finish up the work, so me I go finish it up now.
Your thumb's down hurt you now.
Me put look how boiling water upon it so it half hurt me.
You put boiling water upon it, and you go library without book and pen.
Book and pen
paper.
already there library. Me no need to carry go.
All me I tell you, say, please, Riri, me I beg you. Remember, say me was young, you know. Do me I beg you. If a library I go,
myself too.
nobody play no monopoly game in the library here. Education want you to have. Fill up that the head. Nobody make nobody empty them head and use them head. And that the head, I want you to full up and come with results. Me no want nothing in there, so for another how many years yet, here?
But me a virgin. So how some are gonna end up in a song?
Just make sure so the things go end up in there, not there. And mine man with them mouth here and then sweet mouth. Alright. What good? Oh, library.
Girl.
How can I let you tell her now?
Let me tell you.
Cause girl, me know, me and you know say you not come on my yard like this. A long time me and you don't sit down and eat with that much rest for you come on my yard.
Oh. Same life.
Library? You're not afraid of nothing there, your mother go down to the library.
Why should I be afraid? She not go down there. She not have much sense to go down there.
Alright.
So what?
No, I'm just there here. So how we are going to link and now you tell lie.
A TB.
Oh.
Same procedure.
So how much money you get all of them the lie that we are tell?
Yesterday all the $1,500 I get in all.
In all? So more than one man check?
No, I must see a TB one because I'm still a virgin, so I'm gonna start doing things with other people yet.
Oh, so you get $1,500? Oh my.
You say I'm not giving no nice something. So I'm just all this.
Oh, I hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, hold on. You're not going to check me.
Yeah, me I can't check it, but me I go look for my cousin first.
Alright, make sure you say check me.
Alright.
So girl, how would that?
That's TB.
So I wish cause you have to check.
Girl, me just say use that as an excuse. I'm not ready for go there.
Oh, you stop somewhere first.
No, me not stop nowhere. Me if you buy something at a pallet shop. You can't go give mommy some maybe or that.
Oh, I hear you. They're roots, man. Me they hear.
Alright then, girl. Later.
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Yeah, man, do you good?
Yeah, me alright.
You just pull up, sir.
Yeah, you know, so me go pull up and you tell me if I come.
Glad I reach, man. You have a thing can guess too, you know.
What?
Okay, good. Yeah, listen.
Is that my...
You never did want to be yours.
Me have to go free of me.
Oh, why?
I first say anybody give me such a big money.
B, come on, man. Come on. Me always get big money. Even what you give, I went in Australia and give $5 and you never cuss or complain. You deserve money. You always get big money from me. So if you're a friend that you get more than that from me already.
Alright. Thanks, so I'm glad. We can buy some things now. We can go fix my phone back.
Yeah, man, that can't happen. But
Yeah.
you know how you go.
Come on. Come on.
You got some money go.
Come on.
Oh, hi, Miss Sherman.
What happened?
Nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, man, me good.
Come on, tell son, man. So where you come from? You come from in the yard.
Oh, okay. And you just come out.
Yeah, what?
Oh, and my daughter tell me says she gone to library, and you is normally our library partner. So
Oh, and every day I go to the library go study.
hold on. So that means Riri not gone to library then. Like she
Oh,
always ever go
no.
library with you. So I like should I
No,
tell?
man. A lunch we can take. A library day, but me come on a lunch break.
Hold on. You will come from library now all of a sudden at your yard.
Yeah.
And a lunch break you take.
Yeah.
So how Riri not take lunch break with you?
No, she take lunch break, man, but she gone done night town, gone buy something. Me not really have no money, so me have go out, go look something to eat. You understand now?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. On the things I born yesterday.
No.
And they are using the brain lyrics for me.
Mm.
No problem, man, no problem. Go get you something to eat. I mean, stop you. Watch me and she me straight to library. Me I go find
Then
her.
I library I go.
Eh, then I'm off.
But she left on lunch.
You find her for the lunch.
Alright. Girl, your mother depend on we a go down at the library. Left from anywhere you there and God in late mouth. Like say you go pan lunch, you hear? Cause me never remember nothing. Tell her say you go pan lunch. Girl, do it now, hurry up.
Alright, we're gonna do it now. Me have to go now. Me mother go to the library go look for me. Me have to go. Later, you hear?
Alright.
Yeah, go mommy.
Where you come from?
Library. A lunch break we take.
You lucky, you know? You lucky. As this me I come to find you.
Come on. Where you come from?
So who was at the library with you?
My friend, but she took her lunch break fast. Me just take mine because me never really hungry, but she said she hungry. Take her lunch break before me.
So why you have to spend and buy party and food there for the house?
I remember when I come here, I say I don't know library me I come from, and then I can't go back to library.
Original, you know. Yeah, your friend them original, you know.
I'm not so no lie.
Remember, say the pig you raise, me raise the mother, and the granny done dead. Come. Yeah.
Mommy? Who was that? But why? I suppose look at it more sad.
Remember say me young.
You young and me older. And salt, too much salt no good. So at least your belly full though.
Yes.
So where you go?
Eh?
Like to the library.
Yes. How you know? At lunchtime now.
Make sure you remember what me talk about, you know.
Yes, mommy, remember.
We want the head result, not the belly result.
Mommy, I'm gonna get the head result. No belly round here. Yeah, hold on. Hello? Trish? Yeah, girl. I come now, girl.
Where that about?
Trish! Me say, girl, me I come. I look for food with eat, so me I go come now. No bother with that. I come now.
Where are you?
Alright, girl.
Yo.
Trisha called me, mommy. She says, where me gone so long?
Library.
Yeah.
Make sure you get your education, you know.
Mommy, so what people got library go do? Sit down and look for the book them?
Come on, want the best for you, you know. Get your education and get your independence, and nobody can treat you like no walla walla girl.
Yes, mommy. You know what me want big for light attendance.
I
want doctor.
Okay.
Relax them when I catch cancer.
So tell me something. Since you go library so often,
Yeah.
55 times 5 is what?
Me don't know.
100 times 10 hour.
Mommy, I don't know.
Lord God. And at library I go.
Mommy.
Library I go, you know, simple
Mommy,
maths.
you know, see your brain thick. Me, I got library go learn maths. Language arts and social studies, me go learn. I read, me go there for learn for read. Me never go there for go learn maths. Who did you ever teach me maths? Teacher, did you library for teach me maths?
Teacher that did if you teach you language and English.
I read them in the book them. Read. Me never go learn mathematics. Me never go learn about 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 2 + 3. Me never go there go learn
So
that.
the social studies at the library.
Yes.
Spell social studies.
Eh?
Spell
Me
social
can't
studies.
spell it. SOCIAL. T. No, ST.
You're real dunce about library. Go along. Just try no sir book library you go. About library.
You always clear something now. Wow.
I first have to catch breeze there.
Yeah, what now?
There,
No, remember you did something to go and check your back. Check your back now.
We get that piece of money there. I'm going to tell you something.
$1,000 this time.
This one, get the money and make it to come check me. I'll know. You come like me if you run it down for guess. What kind of style like?
Me come now.
Hold on, fun.
Give me something. Give me 4 money.
Girl. You know how much money that?
But they can't give me 4.
You not see right. You not see right. You want some sense like in
You
the
want to
head.
do me ear.
You not see right.
Me
This
see.
is $100 US. 300. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, no.
Check that much that in Jamaican. You got school. A long time in school.
40,000.
How much that in Jamaican?
100,000?
Give me tell me say. All this
Sure.
time me I have
Let me
sex.
tell you how
And
much.
you not gain no knowledge from me.
What kind of knowledge? You teach me knowledge?
When me I do it if you get knowledge from
Let me
me.
not get no knowledge.
Girl, I have 46,000.
How many
Wait. Let me share. So I'm going
You know, cook.
where I go use money.
You go do me hair. Maybe I want new phone. I do my nails and my
Yeah,
shoe.
I do for sure.
Sorry. Yeah?
You're right.
Yeah, me alright. You ever buck up in on me?
Where you going here?
Me I take cool breeze cause me not ready to go down.
So hold on. Library. Where we read?
She don't have any.
So you want to live really at the library?
Yeah, but she not ready to go.
So where you leave her?
Remember say, me walk a shortcut and she walk long road. So when me come in the village, she take the straight road. She up the man.
Alright. Nothing fine. Now come off of the road. Don't step on the road too long.
Ah, God, I mean, I've made for one.
Good evening, young man.
Auntie.
You know my daughter Riri?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You see her?
No.
You don't see her?
No. What
Alright.
happened, auntie?
Library done for a long time and she's supposed to reach home from she's supposed to reach home by now. Me I'll see her library partner and she alright, you sure you not see her none
No,
at
I'm not
all?
see her, auntie.
Alright.
Alright.
Mind yourself.
Riri. Riri, oh, hi.
Hi.
Where Riri then? She not in there.
Why everybody come and ask me for it? Riri not leave your brother.
Riri said my come check you and they didn't tell me.
Riri not leave your brother. Riri leave you.
So, Riri not in there for you? So when Riri there,
How me fi know?
my dad look for me now.
So am I a problem?
If him come over here till he say he need to go in yard, no.
Alright.
Yeah. You little brute. So where you come from? Eh? Where you come from?
Mommy,
Where you come from?
mommy, library.
Library? And library shut? Library closed long time. Come here, walk and look for you.
Oh, I forgot to me need up a Shanice yard. From my friend yard, mommy.
You can't even lie properly. Me see Shanice on the road. Where you did that little girl? I'm gonna walk up and down the street and look for you.
Mommy, talk now.
Where you did that?
Sure. Hey, Pan, remember me tell us I don't want to look at school partner? I hate. I'm going to collect a while ago.
School partner, that's the best you can come up with.
Yeah. If you want money, I buy some something.
School partner for true?
Yes, mommy, a school partner. I swear upon me, for your life.
Nobody swear upon my life. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're lucky. Come in, go library look for you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank God.
What you thank God for? What you thank God for?
So me reach home. And it's a wonderful day and nobody don't do me nothing on the road. You know you can go up on the road and anything I'm telling me I thank God say nothing never happen to me on the road.
Wow! Me love see you wake up and finally thanking the Lord. Cause you never used to do that, sir. That's a good thing you thank the Lord, cause you have to thank the Lord, yes?
Yeah, now cook. Go on inside, cook some food, man.
Don't step on the road this late, man. You had me worried. Me a panic.
Alright.
Sure. Alright, I'm going on the back kitchen. $1. You alright?
Yeah, alright.
Why? Me kind of, but today, me want today to be a different day, you know, really.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Because what happened yesterday can't happen again.
What happened?
You had me worried. Look at me when I talk to you.
Me look.
Look at me when I talk to
Remember
you.
you say you have hair in your back of your head, me have hair in my side of my head. Me I see you.
Me young people, me no want what happened yesterday happen again, you know. Don't do it again. When time for you to reach home, you to reach home. How the young people think so smarter than we.
Who is that part of girl?
Person gone. Sure. I'm not thinking I'm using a brain too much, man.
Mommy, that person gone all and I can't talk about that, you know.
Mm-hmm. Well, you want me to change the subject? Let me change the subject because me is your mother. May I talk to you about something now?
Mm-hmm.
And you know, so you can talk to me.
Yeah, mom, no.
Ree.
Yeah.
Ree.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, have sex.
Mommy, my God, you could have asked that. I not even know what is sex. I think it's a paper. When I sign the paper, you're having sex.
Nobody try use your brain lyrics for me, you know.
Yeah, that boy.
On the picnic, on the come before, you know, and not long ago. On the was here and not long ago, and the technology on the phone make kind of brighter and sharper. But
Well,
make sure.
My little peanut phone on me have now show nothing about sex. You always show me how to make call and watch YouTube and TikTok and YouTube and TikTok are talking about sex. At school are talking about sex. I'm not reading nothing in the book, down at the library not about sex. So I don't know what is sex.
Well, yes.
I don't know nothing about sex, mommy. You just make me know the word sex, cause I never know that word. Okay.
Original, you know. Original, and I don't really think so your parents.
Original upon you, cause you feel you know everything, but you don't know nothing. So your brain a play tricks upon you.
Okay, but try not say get the head education. Cause any belly coming at this, me not responsible.
Your phone a ring.
Mm-hmm. That me I hear not going for. Oh.
Girl, lady, I'm thinking about the TV.
Me not even, me say, me not have no excuse. The time I say me gonna look to TV, no, me not have no excuse. Today I library day, I can't tell them me I got library. So my find one different. Anyway, that's why I come, you must scan that we can come out of the yard.
No, me I gonna do that now.
Tell them something, I don't know, find one look excuse.
I don't really like to get in the middle of your one.
Girl, they're not getting on me, glad nothing.
God, yesterday you're my watch your banana funeral, girl. But you go so long and you never over TV. Me go over
No,
there.
me tell you, me dey go down a master and go buy fish.
My fish go.
Nice cook yesterday. Oh, okay. Mommy.
She want to look for you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I did. Oh.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Evening, Miss Charmaine.
Evening, baby. All right.
Mommy. Trisha have something. Chinese have something to tell you.
What do you mean by me have something to tell her? What do you? Me not have nothing to tell her.
You remember?
Eh?
How would this go on?
What?
You remember saying something to tell mommy?
What?
What's a
Oh, we may go buy chicken.
You go buy what?
Chicken.
You are cook now, Shani?
No, the net told me I go buy Popeyes to cook already. So me don't ask you for that follow me.
So you are buying fishy too?
Yeah.
Oh, wanna win the lotto?
No, not really. We get one partner.
Eh, so me I go get 3 piece.
Me don't know. We
No,
don't come.
mommy.
We don't come.
Yeah, no.
What's them never hit me things say. Them I try something me not do before. What try on them, man? Me and them.
Yo, girl, see? Get some starter. How do you?
Tired.
No, girl, this is a start cooker. He's there. If you want from up there, so that tired more.
Yeah. Alright.
I walk on
Me go now.
Alright, but remember, so you must buy the Popeyes.
Girl, I'm get money from my papa to mommy.
And Tibi not have money.
You give me money already.
You say not getting money again. Remember to buy the Popeyes, your mother have a proper excuse and don't make your mother company where they look for you. My God.
What? Nothing I can look for you.
You just pop up this time.
So, me not pop up, you call me.
Oh,
Nothing.
good.
So what I want now?
Then you know, say, you ain't get nothing last time.
How's it that? Oh, my belly. My belly. Oh my God, my belly. You come out.
I hope I breathe.
Oh God, my belly. Come out, I run up and down now my belly.
Hope say I breathe.
You look like I breathe, me I breathe.
Me know, you
I
know.
breathe, me I... Oh, my belly.
You breathe?
Yeah, me I breathe. Oh God, my belly. You have to go. You have to go give me 100,000 about the baby because if you don't give me the money, my mother go kill me and then go send I go to prison.
You have to carry that.
No, me can't carry. My mother go send I go to prison. Me I all of 15.
You go to prison. What?
Me I 15. Me go carry go to prison.
Oh, you tell me say you pass 18.
I trick me like trick you.
You see? Girl.
That's
Why you so like?
Mommy.
No, you're pregnant. No, you see, I seen we are licking here.
You have to just give me 100,000 about the baby, cause
About which baby?
the
About which baby?
baby.
Come,
make your head sick.
come.
How we are do?
Bro. You must think say me, am I supposed to see what that thing?
But you have to give me the people. They might know it might bring
Lock up your mouth. Lock up your mouth. Lock up your mouth. Oi! Alright,
You gonna give me money?
I'm going fine.
You gonna give me?
Yeah, you're fine.
Alright. When me go get the money?
Lie, though.
With
Oh,
what?
if you tell me boy you pass 18.
Because me did like you. So when me go get
No,
the
you
money?
want to put me in a problem.
I just say you
Me
know
have
what? Come out
500.
and me hole. You. If I did that come out and I use protection, it could
And you!
I don't me.
You forgot when me there you say broken at me. You forgot when you tell me
I
that.
do what me did that make. I take it serious.
Oh, me if you know say a joke. When me find the money, me call you.
Alright.
You think no now can send man to prison? Really, man. You have a good day, you come mash up me day. Yo. Come in.
What?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, you back, you know.
Can't get nothing.
I can't.
Money.
Must be not money. But we can go out with something to the rest.
Belly. Ah, weird. Ah, my belly at me.
How are you now? Your belly milk do the
You come here, something on belly. I roll up and down. Come here. I'm pregnant.
There's no good thing that you don't like more, baby.
No. I want money for about the baby. Me not carry.
Make your baby still. Make your baby tad.
No!
Long time there. What make no?
Can't carry baby young. You know me how much?
How much? Yo, bro.
Yo.
I pray, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, everything good.
I'm stressed about that.
I'm stressed there now.
Bro, right? You know, it's me a deal on girl, dude. And now she come check me today and she tell me say she's pregnant, bro.
Eh?
And me I tell her, I say, yeah, a long time more you with a good son. She go tell me, say, no, she can't keep it because she has 14. Bigger problem that for me. And the girl come tell me, say she has 18, brother. No, me have to find 100,000. 100,000 me have to find for that shit, brother. Yeah, me have to about 14 and 15 she said she be.
Yeah.
15. I know, you don't even know what to do.
Yo.
Now, me check one bridge in a while I go for borrow 100,000. I your last money me if you go check right now.
Alright, well, keep it, baby. Me help your mind, him, dog.
I'm to keep it, baby, and she young, you know. She have 15.
That nonsense, bro. Me help her take care of
A
baby.
problem that me I put myself in. Me done in a problem already. And more problem is make him keep the baby. Me want the 100,000
Me don't have
for
it
that
right now,
shirt.
bro. Me gonna try to show you.
When you go have it?
Bro, keep the baby. Make the baby come here. Me help your mind, the baby. Just
No,
believe
you don't
in
want that somebody me and tell people so I want baby born they know it to be fine.
Bro, how far you come from, the different. You don't know that too.
And for a reason that I make she understand she have to keep it.
Alright, you see, when I want to keep the baby, check me within 2 days time then.
2 days time.
Alright,
Alright, now check it. Bro, me head a hurt man. Me you know like a migraine.
What's that?
Me head a hurt my brother. Cause only this girl tell me say she a 18 and now you have tell me say you 15. So the girl pick me I have to get birth service ticket and I talk to them. You know. Cause them a come tell her wrong age. I know. Me check it still I say
Alright.
2 days. Yeah, tell her you.
Oh God. My money then now. I got about the baby.
Me not tell you, say, check me back, come back. Now again, come back. Why you want me to not stress and problem?
Oh, that's who you are. In the library now. So tell me something. You forget about me.
Where are mommy?
Me not see no Popeyes. How the Popeyes not come reach me?
Mommy? Rat near me.
Which rat there in the house for name that?
What do you mean by a rat there? Rat there in every ward, in every house. Rat near me. All the things me get to eat at the time. Cause the rat near the leg and the wing and me only near me thigh.
So you couldn't even break off a piece of the tiger meat. So tell me something.
Then piss bunny.
So then piss. Hey, so you craving that one go good. When rat piss pan it, you and yam it same way. When rat piss pan it, you and yam it same way.
Me near me, right now my belly a hurt me. Me I wonder if I hit my belly a hurt me.
Little girl, your belly a hot you?
Yeah.
Mine is something else to make your belly a hot you know.
Mommy, what for them my belly
Mine
a
a library work, you know. Mine a monopoly. I make your belly a hot you know.
Mommy, you want to go buy a pregnancy test?
What's here?
Me read about it in the book, in a magazine.
You know, so you know, me I go check for the Popeye box. Right now, me no. Let me check.
Mommy, come back.
Come
Shani's
back now.
gone with the box. So she gone to art and craft. Some homework business. Me don't know what she gone with the box gone do. Me don't know. Some business, some homework business. She take the box gone.
So Ratnam the chicken, Union piece of Thai,
You did
And-
a sweep. You
and
never seen a sweep.
Shanice gone with the greasy box gone do.
Art and craft.
Mhm.
She wash out the box.
Me a really idiot. Me a really
Anyways.
idiot.
You can't turn up and talk about your read either. Me I got shocked by one juice. Cause my belly hurt me. Me don't know like a chicken.
Try now what make your belly hurt you. And you now bring a third person in this. Oh.
Can't believe say this a girl I want dash her my first youth. Me not depend on that no father God. And what she a try do? How she want dash her my first baby and I'm my first baby in a youth. Me not depend on the abortion thing with nobody this year. Lord.
Excuse me, young man. I mean, good day, first of all.
Yes, miss.
I mean, for coming into your thinking, you know. I mean, I walk past and hear your think. Why? Take my little advice. You go fast in your business, but take my little advice. You don't have to deal with the abortion thing here. Ain't no good. Plenty things can come from that.
I same thing me I said to miss. The
Is
same thing.
Cause she can lose her life. The young lady can lose her life, or maybe the abortion can mess up and she never have children again, or worse.
But miss, the girl is young and you know I'm pressure at that and me don't even know
Oh,
my parents am go up to.
How you get caught with that?
Me,
Young baby.
me don't even know right now until to tell the truth. I swear me don't even know, miss.
No man. As bad as the situation is a life that, is a life and is a blessing that God will find a way. Have faith, man. God will find a way. But don't abort it. Don't unalive the baby.
But miss, for me, you go look bad for me if you want to breed somebody that young. How you go look for my side?
But hey, you done finna start both your side and her side now, How no done doing the thing already. The baby is the innocent one. Remember, say, is a life. You're not really going to take an innocent life. And how you gonna live with that? How you gonna live with that? You're a young man now. Please God, you're gonna live to your 80s, 90s.
I swear, I'm gonna feel frig up, say my first shoot, and him or she gone. But you would have feel a way if you know say I get locked up here on the edge. And that me I try run from.
Only young man, so the girl them nowadays dolly up themselves and change them clothes.
Say that gonna cheat me. That gonna cheat me.
Oh God, me.
Dolly thing there.
Yes. One for doing a check. If one for check for passport, check for passport. One for doing a check and then now go get in this situation.
You know what she cheat me to with? Tell me say she are 18 when she are 14.
14? Jaja. Say my daughter is 14. Oh God, me feel your pain, man.
You see to her she dress and move. They think she are 18 for real, but
oh God.
Why I don't know what me I go do, auntie.
You have to go talk to your family. Talk to your parents. Talk to your family. There must be some adult you can talk to and reason with your pastor, anybody. But try find a way. Don't unalive the innocent life here.
Alright, auntie.
Alright. May I walk on the shop. Alright.
Advice on the motive.
Alright. May I go pray for no. Oh, Jaja, me have a daughter 14.
About that yo, you.
Good evening, young man.
Evening.
Miss Sarah, if you come stop in your conversation. Me hear right? Me hear you talk about abortion.
You tell me I talk about me. Yeah. Now let me know you just need somebody to talk to. Me and a girl talk about 2 weeks now. And just meet her, she tell me so she are 18. Right? And we are talk and we are do things and things go happen like she get pregnant now.
Jaja.
And me happy and I say yes. My first youth she go say me can't keep it because me got prison because she are 15.
Hey! What is not this? What is wrong with the young people? And no protection?
And it's my fault, She tell me say she are 18. I know she are 10 about 15. And she want to dash on my first youth.
Oh God. I'm gonna say abortion ladies. Only for use protection, man. Only for use protection. Me just meet a young guy down the lane with the same problem. Me no know what is not this.
I don't even know what to do right now. Because she tell me she want to abort the baby.
No.
And make she keep it. Are 2 things, it make she keep it, me I got prison. And if we make she abort it, that's a bad thing. Because it baby innocent.
Exactly. The baby innocent and never asked for all this. But young man, it's better you face the consequences and take the life. Huh?
About the baby?
No! That is a life. That is a life. And let me tell you something about abortion. Not every one of them go smooth. The young lady can lose her life. or them can mess it
Alright.
up. No. Or she can mess it up and she never have children again. Abortion and no easy thing.
Never know about about this.
Yes. God will provide. My Joe will always
Auntie, I
provide.
have money and problem. I look a girl. Tell me say she at 18.
Hey, that's what me always talk to my daughter about.
She not even. I want party me meet her. We're 15 years old, do that them big party there. Lord God.
But uno young man, uno for
And the
check.
thing I whine, you see, when she whine for me, just hold me.
That's it. When I use a little head for think for the big head, enough for think for the big head. And that catch you. But all me I go say, me don't know what you gonna do. But my
No, I
little
could do that.
advice, don't do the abortion. It's a dangerous thing, and as you say, it's an innocent life. God will help you. Talk to your parents. That's why I never
Me
talk to
for
big
talk to her,
people.
me for talk to her again.
You know what?
Because my first youth and
Talk to your parents. That's what me tell him. Talk to contact. Talk to your pastor. But abortion,
Alright.
Right, you know, with the way me see the day I go straight to my yard to talk to my daughter. Me no
You
know
better
how
lock
to-
up your daughter in the house.
Aye. Well, my daughter little still, and she look little, so nobody could mistake my child for 18.
Alright.
But I mean, say go talk to somebody, your pastor, parents, somebody, but don't do the abortion.
I know. I'm more going to prison. Right now.
Oh,
Oi,
God.
oi, no bother with it. You feel like a Superman or Batman or Flash brain. You how baby reaching at that so fast? I feel me an idiot.
Right now the baby it come in that come like a one in there, come like a three, come like a triple let me have one or so, and one under my belly bottom, them a fighting there. It come like a football them a play. Or them a fight over food when me just eat. Queer. Funny belly.
What you take me for idiot?
See belly a grow.
That look like baby night.
What you mean? One there so, one there so, and one there so, then little, then I farm yet to my belly big so. I remember say we have to do when me young, that I can get that the baby then can dash way.
Oh, me understand.
So and when you happen to give me the money, you can go about the baby.
I know what kind of spot I put me in, you know, but Jaja, I don't have the money right now, you know. One of my friends them beg me 100,000 for deal with something. Like, I'm telling check me 2 day time, which is tomorrow if you're supposed to go and check me. I hear me there wait for right now.
Oh, so you have money for give your friend, for give your friend 100,000. So what about me? As a matter of fact, yes, if me not get the money, me go carry a station, me go call police upon you, cause me must be underage, you know. So if I can't find the money, give me for abort the belly, I go call police upon you. So either you want to abort the baby or you want to lie down in the cell house. So which one you rather? You rather lie down in the cell or you rather lie down over your yard stress free? Which one you rather?
Jaja, look what kind of position I really put myself in. Me never really want to dash my baby, you know.
Well, you have to dash away.
Me never want.
Me young. Me not ready for no picnic yet.
Yo, here, yeah, make I get the money.
And as I'm so now I draw the money, I draw the two of them. So that I got 200,000. You draw the 100 for your friend, and you draw the 200 for yourself and carry the money come give me a year, babe. And you see after everything me I can go back again and do back the thing. You hear? Later.
Alright, Jaja.
Girl, mama.
Hey, no, me on ya.
Are we at the day? Yeah, if you're yak on over.
Well,
Girl, we there. We have good news for you.
that's good news.
Can get 200,000.
I get straight to the point. Can't you me like get $1,500? Oh, so I will make him go get
I'm
200,000.
pregnant.
So you say me I have sex, little girl? You know you lie.
No, I don't like them pregnant today.
I was pregnant.
I fake one. I trick him and tell him I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
So all you trick him and tell him say you're pregnant and him believe. A man can't believe if he never go there. Come straight forward. This one, and me know your mother enough. Me and your little old mother where you can and tell all type of story. Me
Let me tell
young, like you.
We do something, you know, but we
You know you're never virgin long time, you know.
But me
So you see virgin not tell lie on library. Virgin tell lie on something else constructive. And you see virgin smart. And you're not smart. Cause if you ask her 10 times 10 right now, you don't even know. 10.
20.
God help you. How you breathe?
Hmm?
Speak with it. You breathe in a real life or you fake the breathing?
My fake it. So me and him do something one day when you give me money.
If you feel $100?
No. He give me big money. He give me $15,000.
Oh.
Me and him do something. When we do it, I still plug. So I'm a virgin it. We do something now. Too many want more money and I get greedy because more I tell them I'm pregnant. And I tell them I'm young. I tell them I'm 14. I'm going to call police for him if he do not dash to the bed. So I'm going to pay for dash to the bed.
And he might go pay 200,000. He own?
No,
He don't?
Yeah.
He have to don't. Which baby I get that for 200,000?
My doctor.
I don't even reach 100,000 to do a bash.
But I'm saying that my doctor say.
Oh, so much me I get out of it.
Oh, yes, me and you. 50 out there.
So you take so long to consider like you never plan to give me none. But anyways, me pregnant. I'm pregnant, but then I feel to fake my pregnancy. It's been going on for about 2 weeks now.
And who you breed for?
Me don't really know him like that, you know, but then call him Tiger. I want him nice.
For money and not even know him like that.
At least he not give me $1,500.
I think give me big money too.
Oh, well, then call him Tiger.
Yeah, I first me hear the name there.
Yeah, and that me like. Me like the fact say I first hear the name. So, I don't know, man, where I mix and mango with
So
everybody.
Pregnant?
That is for me and him to know. But anyways, I will see you. Just hear the 50,000 come give me and I get the money and don't forget me. Later, me I go in.
So you did see. So yeah, sleep on the place something. No man.
What's your breathing? It's just me Josie.
My God. I something I can't check your fast still.
See it here. I'm doing last scene and just do it, do it. You need to do it. Let me cast my answer. I must say I bet you get 50 dash in.
I barely me I go dash me happy because me glad say me not have to carry go to jail. And my mother won't put me out.
Make sure you say when you dash away, it dash you good.
Yes, me go dash you very good. Me I go near me and full my belly. 2 hours when me the past the cemetery, me ear pick me. Hold on so. I saw me go on near me.
So you can't get nothing.
Let me go. You ever hear say people have sex before abortion? That will mash me up. I bet if people pick me wrong left me. Oh, so me go near me pick me now.
So you can't get
Later, I can get to later man when me go and come back go buy it.
Later.
Alright. Alright, later me give.
Check me in.
Me go check you for two.
I see you. Even more dash your belly later. You can't get in the front seeing me. Girl, scared them. It's a me a whole heap of option. You can go on. Hello?
How what you want?
Me can't be so strong.
Me not be strong. At 3 weeks and 4 days in a call me. And 1 day me not call you call. What happened?
Me there see if you could have me there ask if you could have come check me and extra rose screw, you know?
What is her skirt?
Long time me not get a piece, you know?
Well, right now me hungry.
Check no man.
And the something inside of my belly more worse than hungry cause sure him not stop roll.
Worm in your belly, me tell us every
Which worm?
Eh?
Me pregnant. And that's why me a call you. If you tell us me pregnant. And all the call me a call you never want answer.
What is father baby? Come at me sad.
I mean, I don't know why you're plan, because me not have no abortion plan inside my head. You want name Tiger? Make sure so you have love enough claws. And then can dig
Listen me no man.
sharply.
Listen me no. You don't know if you're breathing. So
What you mean? A 6 test me take. When me a call if you send a picture of the 6 test, then you're never available. He said the person you've calling is reaching voicemail back or the line busy. Well, right now my front busy.
No kind of sadness this father God. What this? Girl, just stop. Don't call my name for no belly right now. Cause right now me have a problem I got to.
Tiger!
Me no need
Tiger!
no problem.
Don't play with me now.
Girl,
Do
me
not
no
play
need
with
no
me.
problem.
Cause me and the right somebody if you play with.
Oh.
Let me tell you this. You
Yeah.
want him Tiger? Make sure say your clad and sharp. Watch where I go do you.
No, for my phone, cause you think that me I eat. You two girl I breed one time. This is not right.